In its petition, the National Super Alliance will be seeking to prove that technology was used to abet and commit massive electoral fraud rather than curb it, in effect compromising the end results.
The crux of our observations, my lord, is that to the extent that the IEBC chairman maintains that this is the document used to declare a final winner, having received all the results, this document is an invalid document, and that declaration is null and void. To the extent, my lord, that the figures demonstrated in this document are different from the figures demonstrated in its own public portal, the declaration of a winner as done by the second respondent is invalid.
The opposition had a major win earlier in the day when the court allowed its application to access the commission's servers. It is not just technology. NASA argues that the incumbent used public resources and public servants, in particular ministers, to tilt the outcome in his favor.
If the Constitution was violated, if laws that are supposed to guide our conduct during elections were violated, it matters not whether you have a massive lead. The question is that the law has been violated, and this honorable court should be invited to vitiate such an election.
The opposition wants the presidential elections nullified over what it terms a fatally flawed process.
Kenya must get there when our leaders and politicians should be in the habit of writing 2 speeches awaiting the results of the election, conceding or making a victory speech. And I think we can get there if we make sure that the electoral process is conducted in accordance with the principles and the law of the land.
A ruling will be delivered on Friday this week. If the opposition wins, then another election will be held in 60 days. If they lose, Kenyatta will be sworn in within a week. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.